2020 to 2024 Toyota Corolla. What's up with the headlight? So if you have your headlight go out or your high beam go out, you may be wondering, how do I replace it? It's this guy right here. It's just not replaceable, guys. This is a sealed unit. You might be able to replace your blinker and your corner amber bulb on some Corollas, but the headlight and the high beam you can't replace. You have to replace the whole headlight assembly. So if we take a look down here, let's see, this is your blinker bulb right here. I have a video on how to replace that. And then down here on this connector, that's just the power to the whole headlight assembly. And then in the far left, there's like a amber bulb that sometimes you could change out. So you have to remove the whole bumper and you have to remove the whole headlamp assembly. Once you have the bumper off, you'll have these access to the bolts that are holding the headlamp in. This is a 2023 Corolla Cross right here, just as an example. Thankfully, aftermarket companies have come out and you can get a headlamp assembly for like $180, maybe $100 sometimes. The Toyota one is super expensive, but the aftermarket companies are putting out ones that are significantly cheaper. Now you might be thinking, what the heck? But this is the norm now for the industry. This is a 2023 Toyota RAV4. Same thing, when you come over here, there's no bulb for the headlight or the high beam. It's a sealed unit. You got to replace the whole thing. This is a Corolla Cross right here. This one's a little different because it has a high beam LED right here. But even if this went out on you, they don't sell this part individually, at this time at least. Maybe an aftermarket company will make one. But I mean, the high beams don't even really go out as much as a regular beam. But that's it, guys. So I mean, yeah, it sucks. I don't know why the industry is going this way, but it is what it is. So if your headlight goes out, your high beam goes out, you got to get a whole new headlamp assembly. So I just wanted to put this online and let you guys know that's what's up with it. Hey guys, real quick, if you own a 12th generation Toyota Corolla, I just want to let you know I do have a repair tutorials video pack. It's over 17 videos of repair videos and other stuff. Basically all the most common repairs and some uncommon repairs that you'll run into owning a Corolla. It comes on a USB stick. It also includes the front brakes, PDF tutorial walkthrough, other PDFs. You get all the part numbers, you get links to the featured tools and all the parts, aftermarket and OEM. All you got to do is go to my fourth wall page, link below, go to the video pack, add it to your cart. And then if you're on desktop, you can just go to the right and hit checkout. If it's on mobile, it's a lot more easier. Put in your shipping address, your payment info, and then shortly after that, you'll receive your USB stick in the mail. It's $19.99, but it's totally worth it. I highly recommend it. All right.